Hello students, our today's topic is define tolerance groups for customer or vendor. Tolerance group for customer or vendor in the local currency can be created per company code with specification for clearing transactions, permitted payment differences, specification for posting residual item from payment differences, tolerances for payment advices. So the blank tolerance group for customer and vendor is the one which every company code should always have. In this activity, you can define different amount limit for your employees. You use these limits to determine the maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to post a document. The maximum line item amount an employee is permitted to enter in a customer, vendor or general ledger account. The percentage amount an employee can enter in a line item and the maximum acceptable payment differences. Payment differences within certain tolerance groups are posted automatically. The system either adjusts the discount or posts the difference to a separate expense or revenue account. For that, we can use transaction code OBA3 or we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Open Item Clearing, Clearing Differences, Different Tolerance Group for Employees. So we can set tolerance group for customer and vendor in SAP system. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Open Item Clearing, Clearing Differences, Define Tolerance Group for customer and Define Tolerance Group for employees. Define Tolerance Group for customer and suppliers. Click on position, enter our company code, click on new entries, TRE1. We will create first blank tolerance group. Tolerance group for TRE1. Press enter, then click on save button, click on create request, enter your company code and enter your description. What is the description? Define tolerance group for customer or vendor. Click on save button and click on continue button. Come back. Now we will select and create a copy. We will enter group DEB1. Press enter, click on save button, again select it, click on copy button, DEB2, press enter, click on save button, select it and click on copy button, DEB3, press enter, click on save button, again select it and copy, DEB4, press enter, click on save button and again select it, click on copy and we will create another one KRE1 and then press enter and then click on save button. So here we created multiple tolerance group. Now we will set limits. So firstly we will select TRE1, enter our limit 999, percentage 10, for loss 5 and for in percentage 0.5, and adjust discount by 2%. Now click on only grant partial cash discount, and payment term will be 004, that is immediately due date. Press enter. Okay, here we will give 0,5. Save. Come back. Double click on it. Change the name to blank tolerance group for TRE1. Now click save button. Now come back, select our another one, enter our revenue 200, loss also 200, percentage 10%, and discount 10%. Click on only grant partial cash discount and payment term 003. Press enter. Click on save button. Now select, change the name tolerance group for customer or vendor. Then click on save button. Come back. We will change the names. Click on copy, and here we will change the name to ZTR1. Press enter. Save. This will be deleted. Again we will copy rest of all. Delete, copy, and we will give name ZTR2, tolerance group for customer and vendor 2. Here we will set limit 200, loss 200, percentage 10% allow, and adjust discount 2%. Click on only grant partial discount, and fixed payment term is 0003. Press enter and click on save button. Then delete it. So हमने यहाँ पे एक ब्लैंक बनाया है, एक ZTR1 से बनाया है और एक ZTR2 से बनाया है.